Hey, 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 everybody, it's Root Beer, and we're looking at question number 19 on our 2009 Pascal. The distance from Cohill to Calaboogie is 150 kilometers. Pat leaves Cohill at 1 p.m. and drives at a speed of 80 kilometers per hour for the first 60 kilometers. How fast must he travel for the remainder of the trip to reach Calaboogie at 3 p.m.? Okay. So how fast must he travel? This is a speed question. How do we calculate speed? Well, first we get ourselves a fresh piece of paper. But how do we calculate speed? Speed is distance over time. Okay. So distance over time, fantastic. What do we need to do? So Steve, so we get, Cohill, and he's going to Calaboogie. And we know that's a total of 150 kilometers. So he drives for a certain period of time. He drives a particular distance. Is it 60 kilometers? First 60 kilometers of his journey, I believe. Let's double check. Okay. So for the first 60 kilometers of his trip. Okay. So he goes 60 kilometers, and then what's left for him to do? 90 kilometers, although we can write that up a little bit more. But it takes him a certain amount of time here. And he wants to make it by 3. So he starts at 1, he goes a certain amount of time, and he wants to make it by 3 p.m. So how much time does he have left to cover this 90 kilometers? So the distance he has to go, 150 kilometers in total, minus the 60 he's already gone, that's not so much of a problem. It's figuring out how much time he has left to go that distance that we have to work out. Well, how much time did it take him, or how long did it take him to go 60 kilometers? Well, he was going at 80 kilometers per hour. And so if I know the distance he wants to go and the time, the speed at which he was traveling, I can divide them, sort of just swapping speed and time in this equation. I can figure out the time it took to go 60 kilometers. Okay, so the kilometers will cancel out. 60 over 80 is 3/4, and the hours moves up on top. So 3/4 of an hour, 45 minutes. How much does he have left? Well, between 1 p.m. and 3 p.m. is a total of 2 hours. So he wants his journey to take 2 hours. He's already taken 3/4 of an hour. So that's 1 1/4, or 5/4 of an hour left until 3 p.m. Well, he wants to go 90 kilometers in 5/4 of an hour in 75 minutes. So, what's his speed got to be? 90 kilometers, 5 over 4 hours, and we're going to get something in kilometers per hour. Okay, 90 over 5 is 18 times 4. It should be 72. I'm just going to grab my calculator for a quick little double check. Yep, 72 kilometers per hour. Calculator agrees with me. And that's the middle one, C. So that's going to be our answer. We've got one more question in part B, so join me if you would like to for question number 20 in the next video. Either way, have yourselves a wonderful day.